Vandal Twitch, guys. I will go ham this game.
Of course he will.
Play and pray.
I think I'm gonna be the main target. Otherwise, I'm gonna carry the game.
Oh.
Oh, there's a binding lightning going straight to Jerry, but again, a brilliant solo play. They're turning this one around. Koreaton going to get the first kill, and they're going to keep chasing onto Cyanide from Peke. They're going to dive straight towards him. A lot of damage onto Peke. Cyanide actually low. Jerry is going to fall in this one as well, but look at Kerp pushing around the backside.
Oh, I can go.
Here.
You ready?
Yeah.
I am going. Go. I ult. Oh, nice. Go, Syndra. Nice. Nice.
Jerry dives into the middle of them. Kevin will go in as well. They've killed Peke. They're going to kill off Cyanide. That's a double kill for Koreaton. There's another one coming in for Kerp.
Jerry.